My little chefs, are you ready for some fun? Today, we're baking a super yummy cake. But we need to count our ingredients while we bake. Let's get started. Now, do you know the ingredients to make a cake? Let's find out together. We will need self-raising flour, eggs, chocolate chips, and strawberries for decoration. Let's get started. And you will help me counting. First, we will use 2 cups of flour. 1, 2. What do you think we will use next? Right, the eggs. We will put 3 eggs. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Next, the chocolate chips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, the mixer. We will mix all the ingredients together. All right, let's carefully place the cake in the oven and let it bake to perfection. Let's check if the cake is perfectly baked and ready to take out of the oven. The cake is ready. Let's take it out of the oven and let it cool. Now, let's decorate the cake with a generous layer of cream to make it look irresistible. Time to add the strawberries on top for a fresh and fruity finish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The cake is all set. Let's take a moment to admire its final look. Simply delightful. It's absolutely gorgeous. A masterpiece ready to be enjoyed. Good job. Give yourself a big round of applause.